Hey there! If you're watching this video, I assume you are already a subscriber. If not, please hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Let's get started. Thank you. Typography serves two main purposes in graphic design. First, it promotes legibility. Second, it helps communicate the messaging, tone, and sentiments of the design piece. We are naturally drawn to visually appealing designs that are clean and easy on the eyes. That being said, stick around and let me show you a few of them. The first option is the 3D 80s text and logo effect. Take advantage of this casino text effect in your projects and capture the cool, nostalgic vibe of the 80s in just 2 minutes. The impact of a 3D 80s text and logo effect in your design can be substantial and contribute to a specific aesthetic. Here are some key benefits it provides. 1. Nostalgia and retro appeal. 2. Visually striking and eye-catching. 3. Energetic and vibrant. 4. Unique and memorable. 5. Promotes brand personality. Next is the fading text effect. This text effect will greatly benefit any design of yours. Logo types, video intros, headers, banners, advertising, packaging, t-shirt prints, quotes, and slogans. The effect is a high-quality PSD supplied with smart objects and 5 color options to play with. The Smart Object feature makes it possible for easy editing and also maintains the resolution and quality, even if manipulated in various ways. Number 3 is the Aspiring Motion Blur text effect. At its core, Cosmic Effect aims to evoke the feeling of outer space. Think swirling nebulae, shimmering stardust, glowing planets, and the infinite depth of the cosmos all encapsulated within lettering. The key impact this text effect has on your design includes increases engagement, enhances motion resonance, elevate aesthetics, and reinforce brand identity. Next is the Neon Light text effect. Add a vibrant glow to your designs with stunning neon text effects. This is perfect for creating bold, eye-catching headlines, transforming your plain text into a dazzling design. High-quality PSD file, easy to edit and customize. Number 5. The Liquid Melting Text Effect. The appeal of the liquid melting text effect lies in its inherent dynamism and unconventional nature. It evokes a sense of movement, transformation, and even a touch of surrealism. This effect breaks away from the rigid structure of traditional typography, creating an organic flow that draws the eye and sparks curiosity. Next, the Anaglyph text effect. The Anaglyph text effect is a versatile design tool that can grab attention, enhance depth, evoke nostalgia, and add a unique touch to your projects. By understanding its strengths and limitations, you can effectively use this effect to elevate your designs and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Lastly, the Vivid Cartoon 3D text. Level up your design with the eye-catching power of Vivid Cartoon 3D text. Forget flat, static text. Vivid Cartoon 3D text injects dynamism and depth into your designs, transforming ordinary words into captivating focal points. This effect, reminiscent of classic animation and comic books, brings a sense of fun and energy that can resonate with a wide audience. And that's it! I hope you guys enjoyed these awesome text effect templates. You can find the links to download each one of them in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials and resources, and be sure to turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload.